Welcome back friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1910. Remove all occurrences of a substring. So you might already know that I often create LeetCode solution videos in Java J2E technology as well as interview helpful videos for Java interview preparation and that consist of phone interview questions and answers and frequently asked questions as well as what you can expect in kind of coding interviews also, like some small programs and demonstrations. So please, if you are looking for like a channel where you can prepare for Java J2 interviews, this channel is for you. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscription to the channel will be really helpful, so please subscribe. So let's look into the details of the problem. Given two strings s and part, perform the following operation on s until all occurrences of the substring part are removed. Right? Find the leftmost occurrence of the substring part and remove it from string. Return s after removing all occurrences of part. A substring is contiguous sequence of characters in a string. So they have given us this example. So let's take this example over here so I can explain you. So in the beginning I was thinking to solve this problem with the help of stack, where whenever we are getting like each character here, we can just put the character on the stack. So for example, we get D, then we will put it like on the stack. So let's say this is our stack, so we can put D here, then we get A. So we will just keep putting A, and when we get like A B C, so when we put a C, basically when we put a C in the stack, we will check if it is forming the part. Basically it is part, so we will check these things, the three length is forming the part. If that is forming this part, then we will just remove it from stack basically, right? And then again, so whenever we are inserting C, we will keep looking this, we can pick the characters into the stack like this and this, and we can decide if it is forming the part actually. But later I just found out a better approach than the stack approach that I am going to show you today. So what we are going to do is, we have a substring method, right, in the string. So we have a substring and we will use a index of method of the string basically. So we know what string we are want to find, right? ABC is the string we want to find in this string. So we will use a substring, sorry, index of, right, index of we will use. So this is the string class has this method index of, right, and it gives you the index of the starting point in the string, right? Or if it's not there, then in that case it will give you -1. So now for example, this D is 0, right? A is 1, this A is 2, then this A, B is 3, then C is 4. So these are the indexes, right, in the string. So when we call this index of method using ABC, so it finds this ABC in the index of method, this ABC, and it returns us 2, right? It returns us 2 in that case. So we will always like keep checking if it is greater than -1. It is greater than -1, then what we will do is, we will just remove this part from this string, right? This part we will remove, ABC, this part we will remove. So now our string becomes DA, BAA, BC, BC, right? Because we removed ABC once we find it. Now we updated S after removing ABC. Again we will look for the string ABC now. So now next time again we will find this ABC here, right? This ABC we will find here when we are doing again the index of. So we will again remove this ABC from the remaining string, right? So now our string, let me just write down here. So now our string was DA, then BAA, so it becomes BAA, and after that it is BC, right? So BC, so this is the string we were working at. So now at this point it again finds the index of method, again finds that ABC string, this one it finds, and it gives us the index of this one, right? So we will again remove this ABC from this string. So now the string remains is DABABC, right? So the string remains, I will just write down after removing ABC. Now it becomes DABA and BC, right? BC. So now again we will try to find out using index of. So we are in a loop, right? We will keep looking as long as we find index of greater than 1. We will do this, we will remove them from this string. So when we are doing index of, again next time we find this string here and it gives us the index of this A, so we again removes it from the string, and then what remains is DAB. So when we are at the DAB, again the index of will give us -1. So when we get -1, we are done. We will just return this string as our answer, right? DAB. So DAB is the answer that we will return. So this is much cleaner than the stack, manipulation, because the part, if you look at the length of the part that is given here, then part can be 1,000 characters, right? Then manipulating those things in a stack will be little bit uh, tricky, so rather than that, this approach I found very easy to implement, and it's working well also. So I'll just show you the quickly how I implemented it. So this system.out I just put for the um, debugging. So I am just going to calculate the length of the part first, and then we are in a while loop. So we will keep finding the index of part into the string s here, and as long as we have index which is greater than -1, we are going to update our string. And how we are going to update, we will just do 0 to index substring and then plus index plus l we will do, right? Then it means that we have removed the ABC part of the string. Basically in this case we have removed this ABC part. That's what we are doing here, right? And then again the loop will continue, and again it will try to find out index of. So it is in loop, and again it will modify the string by removing the ABC in this case, right? So it will continue as long as it finds the index of the substring or the part ABC in the string s, and whenever it doesn't find, it will just break out from the while loop, and at that time we already have found our answer as a s, right? And we will just return the s as our answer. So I hope that I explained well with this example. So we can just like get all the use cases that are given to us and make sure this solution works. So as you can see, our solution is giving us correct results of the one that we saw here, the DAB, and all other results are also correct. So we'll just submit and make sure this is getting accepted. So as you can see, we are getting 99.67, which is very good, and 1 ms and 85% on the memory side, which is a really good solution. So I just thought that I will share this solution. This solution is much easier to implement compared to stack, because the part string length can go until 1,000 and manipulating in the stack will be difficult. Comparatively this is very clean and neat. So I just thought that I'll share this solution with you. uh, Please subscribe to the channel if you are watching my videos or liking my videos. Please give it a like, thumbs up, and also put on the notification button, like, so you will get notified. I often post helpful videos for interview preparation and coding solutions. So thanks for watching the video.